The opportunity is there, and certainly the money is there because they're spending it now.
$70 million. That's how much the Saskatchewan Union of Nurses says the province will be spending on contract nurses by the end of this fiscal year. In the Legislature on Monday, the government did not deny the claim, and Health Minister Everett Hindley defended their use.
Here in Saskatchewan, as with other provinces and territories, there is a utilization of contract nurses when necessary in order to either keep facilities open or to fill shifts.
Hindley says the contracts are a temporary solution. The president of Sun disagrees.
That's not how it's turning out at all. I mean, we've been talking for quite some time about the overuse of agency nurses, and the amount of money that we keep spending on them keeps growing and growing.
Now, Hindley did admit that the province wants to reduce its reliance on contract nurses, but the union says the province hasn't listened to their requests to establish a nursing task force or offer incentives, which would help to retain mid to late career nurses and drive new recruitment. Zambori says nurses are fed up with staffing shortages and deteriorating working conditions, and that includes safety. An ER patient at the Regina Pasco Hospital was robbed over the weekend.
It wasn't a surprise, and I spoke with the members there. This is what they deal with on a daily basis. It just somehow managed to get into the news.
The opposition says the government needs to take action.
So I think it starts with listening to healthcare workers that are on the front lines. I've heard consistently from folks who work in emergency rooms and elsewhere within the healthcare system that they do have solutions.
The government has been slowly unveiling items ahead of next week's budget. That includes nurse practitioner-led clinics and 25 new positions for nurse practitioners meant to address access to primary care. As for issues around contracts and safety, we'll have to wait until next week. Alexander Kwan, CBC News, Regina.